on top of the car. He doesn't want to jump because I don't even know if he know how to.
Part of the Allegiant Always concert series.
Holy shit.
Heavy rains flooded Chicago streets, blocking cars and forcing officials to cancel the last half of race that was supposed to through the downtown. Some people asked to include it on Monday after record rain and rain in-house closing roads caused drivers to get stuck, including basements. Because of the heavy rain, parts of Chicago waterfront are blocked. Flooded viaducts continue to cause problems throughout the night. On the west side, in the 4600 block, the West Roosevelt Road, cars to get stuck after trying to pass with several feet of water still on the roadway. At one point, at least 7 cars and their passengers were trapped in a flooded viaduct near I-219 at Avenue and Cicero Avenue. Illinois State Police said part Interstate 55 and 219 were closed because of flooding, with at least 10 cars trapped in the water on Interstate 55 near Pulaski Road. The city main north-south train were also stopped in parts of the city. A meteorologist with the Chicago NBC office, a suburb of Romeoville, said the storm system was circling over the area rather than moving eastward, giving time to draw moisture from the atmosphere and leading to heavy rain.